Hey guys, what's happening? How to open free Google Workspace account. So go ahead to your browser, right? And then just type Google Workspace, right? And basically, once you type Google Workspace, you're gonna scroll a little bit down to find the website and you're gonna see the Google logo on it. This is the official website. Just go ahead inside. Once you're in, just go ahead and hit get started, right? And you can join millions of businesses that use Google Workspace and select your region and the business name and the number of employees. Okay, and once you hit the number of employees, enter your name and the current email address. Hit next and follow on the on-screen instructions and choose a way to set up your account. Get a new custom domain set up using your existing domain. If you have already existing domain, just go ahead and fill it up. But if you are new, just go ahead and hit get a new custom domain, right? And enter the new domain name, right? And select from one of those or one of these domain names. And once you select the favorite domain, you're gonna just go ahead and pay up, right? Of course, enter the business address, right? And of course the phone number. Continue and choose a username for your account, right? Say Adam22. Password, make sure it's a powerful password. And if you want to receive future announcements, tips, offers, and all that stuff, right, go ahead and hit agree and continue. And now you just set up or join the Google Workspace. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.